Hey guys, another message of the day. I want to talk about redeem repo. Or let me just explain to you in layman terms, probably something that you would understand. You stopped making payments on your car, or you lost your job and you got behind in your payments, and the lender who you paid your car payment to, decides to pick your vehicle up. And then after they pick your vehicle up, you call them, you say, well, Mr. Lender, Miss Lender, Mr. Lender, Miss Lender, I want to get my car back. I want to get my car back. I want to drive my car. What is it going to take for me to get my car back? And the lender tells you, ma'am, it's going to cost you $2,000. It's going to cost you $1,500. Or it's going to cost you $1,800. And you're probably saying, why is it so much? Well, you have the fee that you're going to pay that they had to pay for somebody to take your car, repo your car, because you didn't pay it. Then you might have other fees, late fees or whatever, behind payment fees, whatever the fees that you owe, right? You're going to have to pay that back. And then they're going to give you your car back. We call it, in the car world, a redeem repo. That's when you get your car repoed and you want your car back. It's called a redeem repo. And then what happens after that? You get your car back. A few months later, you figure, oh yeah, I got my car back. Now I want to come in and trade it in. So when the salesperson gets the application from you and they take it to the finance manager and they pull credit and it says redeem repo on your credit report. So I hope you're taking notes, because you know what? A redeem repo on your credit report. I didn't have no problems with my car. My car wasn't repo. Well, yes, it was, because you stopped making payments and then you gave the lender money to get your car back. And it's called a redeem repo. And that's on your credit report for 7 years. So a couple months later, you want to trade your car in. You know what? You're going to have issues. You're going to have problems trading that car in. Because for one, you paid charges to get it back. You still have charges on your car because you know what? Maybe you have high interest rate or maybe you don't. But you still have charges that you owe on your car. Okay? You paid to get it back, but you still owe money on your car. And on your credit report, it says redeem repo. So the purpose of this video is to let you know, if you get behind in your car, get your car payments caught up before they have to take it. Because once they put redeem repo on your credit report, the lenders are not taking it off. Redeem repo. If you don't understand this video, what I'm saying, go to Google redeem repo, and you'll get the full definition. Hope this helps. All right, see you on my next video.